It just happened. Ukuthi some people think you can prepare for a war in the battlefield already. You can't. You can't make preparations for the rain already in the rainy days. Already it's raining and we are making preparations. No, you have to do those things prior to that. Because you know that those things are coming. You see. So now, because you know what kind of a person, what kind of life you want to live, how come you think you are going to live that life without you taking the right actions now, consistently? How come? How so? Are you a magician? Because you want to be financially free. You have to take actions now that will lead to that. You want to be healthy, you want to lose weight, you want to be fit. You have to do things now. You have to take actions now, consistently. People shouldn't be delusional and think things will just happen. Just like these people who just say Jesus died for them and there's nothing that they need to do. They don't even work on themselves. They just praise Jesus while Jesus was here to tell them that they can do the things he was doing and even do more than that. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Mina ngikukhonzile yazo. Ngikukhonze kakhulu mina mfethu. Kwazi lokho. I know ukuthi uzifisela okuhle nawe. Akekho umuntu ongazifisela okuhle. Kodwa izifiso ziyizifiso nje ngani yakwethu uma ngabe zingenayo i-plan of action. Ngizokwenzani nini, kanjani, kuphi. Be practical. Lokho kuzokusiza ngoba you are programming your subconscious mind for a better version of yourself. Uyabona i-subconscious mind ngeke kuze kwenzeke at some point ukuthi ibe empty. Those habits, habitual thoughts and actions, they need to be overridden by new ways of doing things. Angeke kuze kube empty. Wena kumele ukuthi u-override. Ngithi yabo ulethe okunye okuzo override lokho okwaziyo nokwenzayo lawo ma habits lawo. Yabona kwi-programming izinto ziyabhalwa phansi kwakhiwe i-diagram ukuthi kuzoqala la mawakha nje i-app nje ukuthi uyaprograma i-app ukuthi kumele isebenze kanjani, uyabhala phansi kuzoqala la maqeda la mawenza kanje kuzokwenzeka kanje, mawenza kanje kuzokwenzeka kanje. Ngithi yabo i-plan nje eqondile ukuze kukwazi ukubonakala i-loophole ukuthi okay la ngathi azidluli la into eqondile. And then if i-app say operator, i-app executor lento ebhaliwe la phansi ukuthi okay ngenza kanje ngenza kanje ngenza kanje ngenza kanje, yabo executor leyo nto ebhaliwe phansi. Uma wenza kanje akukona lokho izikunikeza error, akwenzeki lokho angeke uze ukwazi ukwenzeka. I-app nje i-application nje software programnywa kanjalo izikunikeza ama messages asho ukuthi no lokho okufakayo is the wrong input, yabo. That is why ke ukuthi nawe if you have ama habits that you know which you need to consistently engage with them, ezinye izinto abantu abathi bakufaka kuzona kuzoba i-error. Izosho into ithi subscribe is unavailable. Endabeni zabantu angitholakali. Endaweni ezukuthi angitholakala. Kuzoba nezinto ongatholakali kuzona. By that time yabona uma ngabe ususebenze kuwena, you worked on yourself, you become magnetic. Yes, you become magnetic. Izinto ezinhle ziyeza kuwe. yabona, nalezo ezifisayo wena uthola ukuthi ziyakubalekela, they just come to you effortlessly. That is why I used to tell you generators, what you need to consistently do what you love in the meantime, while there's nothing to respond to externally. Do what you love in the meantime. Use your energy to things that you love for you to be magnetic, to attract those things. People, they want to change the external circumstances. You need to change. You are the one who needs to change. If you change, everything changes outside. Everything just changes as you change. So now you'll find what people want to control external situations. No, you are the one. You have no power over what is outside of you. The only power you have is the power to change you, because if when you change the way you view things, things will change as well. So work on yourself. It's just a paradox, guys. While I was drinking alcohol, imali yabo bengekho imali yabo ngaleso sikhathi ngiphuza. But I developed habits around money. I developed habits around how am I going to do things, me as myself, as a form of personal development. And then money for alcohol just came in abundance, to buy alcohol now. But now, unfortunately, I don't drink anymore. But by then, I just wanted to have plenty of it. But I had no ama-plans ento. Khona izinto ozothi uma uqhamuka nama-plans uthi uzowa-execute, bese lo ma-plans ayashayisana nezinto ey'bhedayo ozenzayo, bese uyabona ukuthi lokhu kumele kusale lokhu. Ngoba uma ngabe ngithi mina njalo ngosuku oluwukuthi senzite ukuthi, njalo ngolesihlanu ngo-7 senzite ukuthi, uyabona lapho ukuthi uma ukuthi leyo nto ibalulekile sizobe siyenza, kusho ukuthi kuyacaca ukuthi iy'ndlela zakho zangolesihlanu ebusuku kumele ziphele. Yabo, kunama-habits okuwukuthi azokhishwa amanye, ama-habits abhedayo azokhishwa amanye. Thola ukuthi ukuthi okay, uma ufika la kumele ufunde incwadi, uma uqeda ukufunda incwadi kumele uhambe uyojima, uma uqeda ukujima kumele ubuye umeditate. Uyazi ukuthi this is how you do things. Obviously lesikhathi sokuthi uhlale ku-social media, uhleke, ubuka izinto, uqede lapho ukhathale, uqonde efrijini, uvula udle, ubuye ulale, ubheke phezulu, ubhodle, leyo nto leyo izophela ngoba now ukuthi time is against me. Isikhathi sona esingitshelayo, it's a start codon. Isikhathi, it's a start codon ukuthi once walesi isikhathi, now I know what needs to happen. Ile nto abayibiza nge-Q lapha ya kulokungani kwi-atomic habit, it's a Q. Manje uma ngibona seku-3, u3 kumina usho ukuthi kwazi kwawu4 manje, u4 kimi usho ukuthi, angithi yabo, ama-habits lawo owaformulatayo wena, that contributes to the person you are. Uma ukuthi awusebenzi ngesikhathi, usebenza ngokuthi nge-habit stacking, uyazi ukuthi uma ngiqeda lokhu, ingqondo yakho izobe isiyazi automatically, uma ngiqeda lokhu kusho ukuthi, uma ngibona i-message esho ukuthi sengiholile, kusho ukuthi sewuyazi, ubhalile phansi, unayo nento ekuthiwa i-budget, uyazi automatically. At some point futhi kumele ukuthi izinto zi-automate, zizenzekele, mali ukuthi iyale, mali ukuthi iyale. I-habit leyo nto uyi-repeat consistently. Uyazi okay, uma ngihola imali ethile iyangena iya kuma-shares, imali ethile iyaphuma iyale, imali even if before you get paid you budget. Izinto lezi ezingama-habits around finance, there are things ezingama-habits around wena nje lezi kade ngiyibala as-personal. So guys, you cannot tell me akekho mesiya, alikho iqembu lezepolitiki that is going to help you, ayikho imali yomholo ezonyuswa that is going to rescue you. No ways. Uyazi ukuthi ayikho i-wage or salary increment edlula ukuthi wena unciphisa indlela ospenda ngayo imali.